Good morning, students. As you know, exam is over. So, I am going to teach for the next examination as for periodical test second, and in the periodical test number second, the syllabus is extended next as chapter 8. You can see unit 3 commercial mathematics as ratio, proportion and unitary method. So dear student, your exam is over and correcting of the exam copy is going on. I hope you will get good marks. But from today I am going to start the next chapter for the next examination. So you may open the book and you can see and you can watch the video in good way and you can get knowledge about the chapters. So firstly, unit 3 commercial mathematics. What is commercial mathematics? Commercial mathematics is the branch of mathematics in which we can compare the quantities in the with the help of ratio, proportion and unitary method, and we can get the different quantities, the different values of the items as compared to the others. So in this chapter we will study ratio, proportion and unitary method. Firstly, I am going to explain ratio. What is ratio? See, ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is the branch of mathematics in which we compare the two quantities. Means a ratio is a comparison of, you can say, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. Two quantities using division. Two quantities using division. So this concept of the ratio that comes as we can compare the ratios as with the help of subtraction, with the help of division. Both way we can compare. So suppose to all the fractions, you know fractions, you have studied fractions in class 5th also, in class 6th also. Fraction deals ratio. How? You can see 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Fraction is 2 by 3. So you can write 2 ratio 3. You can write 2 ratio 3. So in this way you can compare the number as numerator and numerator as well as in the ratio form. So this is called ratio, 2 ratio 3. So in this way you can compare the quantities and you can get the acknowledgement of the ratio. So in this way a ratio compares quantities of the same kind which must have the same unit of measure. It means suppose to Ram takes to move round a park 20 minutes and Ramesh moves around that park in 25 minutes. So find out ratio of these two persons. So you can do like that, 20 upon 25. Here also minute, here also minute. So minute to minute cancel, and you can write 20 by 25, and you can convert in the lowest form as 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25, means 4 by 5. Timing of the both person 4 by 5. Also you can write 4:5. So in this way you can write this 20 minutes and 25 minutes in the ratio form. So for the ratio, unit must be same. For the ratio, unit must be same. Unit must be same. For the ratio, unit must be same. If kilogram is there in the numerator, in denominator also kilogram. If in numerator minute is there, in denominator also minute should be there. So in this way, for the ratio, we can take the quantities in the same unit must be same. We can take the ratio as with the same unit. If the unit is not same, so you can't take that ratio, you can't find the ratio. So in this way, you can get the acknowledgement of the ratio like that. After that, difference between a fraction and a ratio. Difference between a fraction and a ratio. What is the difference? You see. Difference between a fraction and ratio. So difference between a fraction and ratio, how can you do the difference? So basically a ratio is the comparison of two quantities using division, while the fraction is used to denote equal parts of a whole. Means understand, ratio deals the comparison of two quantities by the division method, and fraction shows, or fraction is used to denote equal parts of the whole. So it means you can say, see, ratio. For the ratio shows comparison of two quantities. Comparison of two quantities, and fraction. What fraction shows? Fraction denotes fraction denotes the equal part of a whole. The equal parts of a whole. The equal parts of a whole. So in this way, it is the major difference. Ratio shows the comparison of two quantities in the same unit. Two quantities, you can say, in the same unit. But fraction denotes the equal parts of a whole. Fraction denotes the equal parts of a whole. If any whole number, suppose to whole number is 3. So out of 3, how much portions have been taken? Suppose two-third portion has been taken, so it means two-third means 2/3. Out of 3, 2 has been taken. So a whole out of 3, that 2 equal parts has been taken. So it is 2/3, 2/3. So this type we can represent as fraction. But as ratio, what we use the items, as we can compare that items to others. It means like that 1:10 it's 5 toffees. So it is number, it gives the number. But if you are presenting this in quantities, that how much they are. So if a person is drinking water 30 ml, 50 ml, 250 ml, so in this way ml coming. So ml is unit of the liquid item. So in this way we can compare with the unit, but unit should be same. For ratio, the unit should be same. In this way we can compare. So dear student, today only you understand the definition of ratio and difference between ratio and fraction, and what is the commercial mathematics and what is the use of commercial mathematics as ratio, proportion and other items. So for today's class, thank you. Tomorrow I will explain so much about ratio. Thank you.